Only attack I make. But Jaden Chase there to make the fans them know what really I go on.
Yeah, man, move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we don't need no ladder. Gaza Nation, we don't find the Gaza Station. Welcome to the channel. I'm Jaden Chase. And yes, we are bringing another new and yes, exciting reasoning on the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I remind you now for click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and for also leave a like, a comment, and yes, boss a share on the blog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, we're there with the appeal update, viewers and subscribers. And for those who are waiting for me, stop set. Freedom is a must. For stop set Vybz Kartel, viewers and subscribers. Well, let me save you the trouble. Stop following me on my channel because let's be frank, that will never happen, viewers and subscribers. No, Sean Storm, viewers and subscribers, is saying he's feeling disheartened and disappointed in the lengthy wait and the appeal results, viewers and subscribers. And this update comes from none other than Vybz Samuels, viewers and subscribers, the lead attorney for Sean Storm, who has just wrapped up another high-profile case for himself, viewers and subscribers. Mr. Vybz Samuels represented Mr. Miller, viewers and subscribers, and his case, viewers and subscribers. You know the situation. It was a sad situation for Mr. Miller and his family and well-wishers. 39 years and 9 months, viewers and subscribers. Now, Mr. Vybz Samuels is saying, viewers and subscribers, it wasn't a long wait for that trial, nor for the results. Now he's saying in this appeal case, viewers and subscribers, we should have heard back from the 3-judge tribunal already. That is what he's saying, viewers and subscribers. We should have heard already. But he says there's been no official statement from them yet as to when them can show up at court for that result, viewers and subscribers. The appeal results, of course. Now, here in the artist saying he's feeling disheartened, viewers and subscribers, has nothing to say that, or nothing to do with the fact that he has lost hope. No, Mr. Vybz Samuels did not say Mr. Campbell has lost hope, viewers and subscribers. No, he say he feels disheartened. Means at this point in time, it's almost like a heartbreaking vibe, viewers and subscribers. At 2020, man. Think about it, my viewers and subscribers. Imagine you wait for your appeal results for a year and a half. Almost 2 years. It's a long wait. Definitely a long wait for anything. No matter where you wait for, viewers and subscribers, to wait this amount of time is definitely, or would be considered by anybody as a long or a lengthy wait, viewers and subscribers. Now, as to say, we now stop say freedom is a must. Nothing has changed with the situation. The prosecution has not presented anything new. So them still can't prove, viewers and subscribers say, oh, yeah, the teacher and Sean Storm was involved in this situation where they matter about. No. No. There has been no new evidence presented. The situation still look good, viewers and subscribers. And we have a continual reasoning with Gaza Nation and make the people them know say this a war take place. Just like how Vybz Samuels and make we know war take place. So for all who are say, yo, why am still talk about the appeal? Why am still say free the teacher? Because I'm concerned genuinely. That's why we are talking about it. That's why we not respond to some people want to say. Like some people want to say, well, stop talking about the teacher and him freedom. What I'm telling you, who not see the album I just dropped. We have the best dancehall artists currently behind bars. What that? What that? And then we are saying we want a dancehall category at the Grammys. We want the world to acknowledge the different genres of music we have out here. Acknowledge musical creativity and our capabilities. And we have an asset to Jamaican music behind the bars. And also his protege behind the bars as well. Game changers. Now, viewers and subscribers, that's why I'm an advocate for the freedom of the teacher and co-accused, viewers and subscribers, because them couldn't prove say it take place. And from you can't prove say it take place whether or not you feel like I saw it go. In a court of law, that is not how it works. Yeah, we can't work on your gut feeling. No, that is not what takes place in a court of law. We have to rely upon the laws that govern this country. Not the laws that govern you and your morality and what your brain I tell you at that particular moment in time. No, we can't work with that. We have to work with the laws that govern here, viewers and subscribers. And by law, the teacher should be a free man this year, viewers and subscribers, because we don't think the 3-judge tribunal can give us any good reason why we would have to wait until further in the year. Me not saying a good reason why. The last time we say it's because documentations need to be documented. But come on now, how long that really take? How long is that really taking? But as I was saying, the same lawyers, viewers and subscribers, and the same judges have other cases where they preside over, and the lawyers have other cases where they represent other clients for. So we see why there is somewhat of a wait, because they have other situations that deal with too. But this should be a primary concern, because this step on the books now for a year and a couple months now. So, you know, this help create that same backlog to where them probably work on. So, you know what I mean? I would think this would take precedence over some other situation. But who am I to say so? Who am I to say so? Because I don't know what other cases where them deal with is like. So, you know what I mean? Why you don't know my artist this? So you don't know the concern different. So we definitely want the results right now, like today, in the evening. But we don't have that control, viewers and subscribers. We can't tell the 3-judge tribunal when to make their decision. All we can do is wait. And they are wait patiently for quite some time now. All Gaza nation, all well-wishers, all supporters, as a matter of fact, the entire dancehall industry has been waiting patiently to see what will take place. And this album will drop recently, like a couple days ago, viewers and subscribers. It definitely proved why we need the artists out up on the road. Big up all other dancehall artists, man, not stop saying. Know what I mean? Big up all reggae artists, Mentoska. Big up all creatives from the island. You know what I mean? Everybody who help for, I would say, advertise our culture. You know what I mean? Yeah, to the wider world at least. Whether it be film, music, you know what I mean, artistry, painting, big up everybody. You know what I mean? Yes. But Vybz Kartel, viewers and subscribers, we need him a road among those other names. All those other big names we represent for our culture, our island. The teacher ranks high up there with them, viewers and subscribers. Yeah, him definitely do it, because music is definitely one of the things that we export to the wider world. Dancehall and reggae, ska and mento. These are definitely some of the things that conveyed our culture to our people who have never experienced it firsthand. Meaning said they have never visited the island. But just by the film and the music where them listen to, that is inspired or directly from artists from the island here, definitely give them that emotion and make them love Jamaica even without visiting. Many of us, just by watching the movies and hearing the music from Africa and seeing the documentaries, we fall in love with motherland. You know what I mean? Here we are saying Mama Africa, and we have never been there. Even some reggae artists themselves, they make some of the best songs you've ever heard about the motherland. Some of them have never visited the island and the continent physically. No. Vicariously, they have seen it to the eyes of the musicians and the people who have visited there. So I saw the support of viewers and subscribers. So Vybz Kartel is definitely somebody who's exporting our culture to the wider world. Him definitely make some people who have never visited the island and say, yo, more and go a yard. More and visit Jamaica for see that vibe. Yeah. That day rave something they were teach talk about. More and go experience it firsthand. More and go see what the vibe is like. Yes, viewers and subscribers, a superstar. I'm not going to run Sean Storm. Definitely a game-changing artist too. Theme flow, theme style, different. We know nobody else I bring to the table. We see what I bring. Yeah, man, we need him a road too. We need him a road, and we still not forget Matsus and Cairo. Yeah, we not forget nobody. Remember Matsus and Cairo, their situation is very complex though, viewers and subscribers. Extremely complex. Because right now they must serve sentence on some other situations. We don't even want to get too much into it, but that's how it take place with Matsus and Cairo, viewers and subscribers. It has been different for Vybz Kartel and Sean Storm. They haven't found anything else for them can say, oh, yo, throw that upon them too. No. Them couldn't find nothing. Freedom! is a must, viewers and subscribers. Freedom for the 2020. You see the vision? You see the vision. By the one called Jaden Chase, viewers and subscribers, the dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative. You know the settings. And for those who don't, if you're new to the channel, new to the movement, just a pass through. But you like the reason, and of course you like the point of view. Well, I'm suggesting that you click the subscribe icon, yeah, and then the bell icon, blood, and put it on all, so that you become notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available to you right here on the platform. The like icon, that's where to drop a like on the vlog. From a like with your ear viewers and subscribers. The comment section is always open 24/7. It never lack yet, no matter when you see the vlog, viewers and subscribers. So just be mindful of the guidelines, be respectful, yes. Other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments, and your opinions there. We can even continue the reasoning via the comment section. The share icon there as well. You can tell a friend, but tell a friend, but tell them sister and them brother, them viewers and subscribers from right here on the platform. You're not going away. So the share icon there, and you can share the video with anybody anywhere on the planet, viewers and subscribers. So until the reason again, up move settings from I wouldn't need no ladder. And my sentiments for you and yours, I wanna live, love and prosper. Yes, until we reason again.